Oh,
Wait.
2v2 match. Let's go.
All right, inviting.
It is not a 2v2 match.
It could
Do
be.
not.
We could make it.
we can make it.
I do not want to do that.
Why? What you got against the 2v2?
Because I don't want a 2v2. It's Uno!
You hold a 2v2
Exactly.
in Uno?
Oh my god.
Imagine not having a green.
Imagine not having a green, bro.
Oh no.
Imagine having to draw cards.
God damn it! I had 2 cards, dude. Oh man.
What happened?
What happened?
Oh no! What happened?
Oh no.
Oh
choked.
no!
You choked just like your
What
battle,
happened? Oh no!
You okay? Uno.
Dom, this is all your fault.
It's
I
not
just
my
want you
fault.
to know that.
Oh fuck.
You're just mad that I had stellar plays.
Oh
Yeah!
my fucking god.
That was a clutch draw, actually. That was clutch.
Yeah, remember when you were at Uno?
Streamer
me too.
privilege.
Cool. That's
Good talk.
yeah. We're thriving.
Great conversation.
Oh,
Thanks,
wait,
Kanye.
what the fuck, Casey?
Can we get away from this fucking blue bullshit?
All right.
Streamer
Yeah.
loot, dude. Streamer loot.
He's
I think we need a yellow here.
He is. Oh, a yellow, you say?
Oh,
I'm ready for Casey to play yellow +2 onto you, Travis.
well, that would be an issue for you, I guess.
Would it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The way he said that, I think it's actually an issue for me.
Hey Casey, you're back in. It's that streamer loot, baby. That streamer loot.
Oh my god. Here, I think you might have another one. I don't know.
Aw.
Oh my god.
Holy shit, Zero.
Game! What is this game? Real life games don't even last this long.
Keep her going.
Casey gotta draw again.
Do I
He
not
might have a
6?
9. He's gotta have a 9.
Oh,
There's
is that
no
a
way
9?
he
Is that a
doesn't.
9? Okay.
Ah, it's green.
Reverse.
Oh no.
I think not.
Oh no! Not like this!
That was that, I changed my mind. That was a very good reverse, Dom.
Oh, alright, well, I don't have 2.
Case is over here, probably sitting with like fucking 5 of them. Now. How did he change it to blue again? Oh my god!
Oh, come on! I've drawn so many cards!
I'm sorry, buddy. It was what it gave me.
Oh, they doesn't have yellow, that's right. Holy shit, Casey. That's like your 5th one this game.
You know what? I'm fine with green. I'll deal with it.
God.
I've gotten 1 wild card this game. Like, what is this bullshit?
I don't think I've gotten one at all. So.
Oh my god.
He gets one as. Oh no, does
You
Dom
and your
have that?
fucking
Oh,
yellow
no!
cards, dude.
For what? I have to click it? That's dumb.
Yeah, you have to call Uno, man. I mean,
I thought it just did it for you. That's stupid.
I'll give you another chance.
Oh no.
Yeah,
I
play
do
2 cards
appreciate
here and you
that.
can call
Thank
Uno. But do you have another one?
Oh my god, I
You most
swear.
certainly bet I do. I clicked it! It didn't even give me a chance! Reverse it! Reverse it!
I don't have one.
That's not reversing it! What are you doing?
It's okay, it's
Oh, that
okay.
worked.
Let's go. Oh man.
Holy shit.
Okay. Now we got a new threat.
Guy over here has every card on the deck.
I do. Little do you guys know, I am the biggest threat.
I have such a big threat, you guys, dude. My threat is
I have
huge.
so much threat right now.
Here, send your threat that direction.
My threat is
Send your threat
massive.
back to him.
Actually, I don't have any threats in green though.
Woo!
Oh.
Well, that's rude.
He had his big threat in yellow. Oh, wow.
Hey.
Now Brandon's our issue.
Bada bing, bada boom.
I'm gonna smack you in your throat, kid. Next time I see you, you're going down.
Oh, thank you, Lord, he didn't have
Oh,
yellow.
okay, sure.
Shoot down.
Oh no.
Tim Pinsons, I want you to know this might all be your fault for skipping me.
Well, we'll find out, won't we?
No!
Dom in me. He had the +4 too. He held on to it for me. He waited on it. He kept it.
Let's go. Let's keep it going.
Let's keep it going.
Dude, there's a battle pass in this game.
There's a Uno battle pass.
How much is the battle pass?
We have to get it, dude.
Oh my god.
Oh, so it begins.
Oh, this is a
no.
good start. Nice. Oh.
I don't think so. Sir.
Oh.
That's actually better.
Oh.
That's not better.
No!
I don't like the direction this is going. I don't like this at all.
Oh my god!
He started it, but we finished it.
Crazy, you messed up, bro.
Oh, thank the Lord.
Okay, I have to click Uno before I play the card, which makes no sense.
Did you draw any blues in there, Travis?
No. But we have more red.
Get fucked, all of you.
Oh, Casey King.
I had a +4, but if I play it, he just challenges me.
Okay, I maybe had a blue, but I didn't think he had a red.
He ain't got red.
Brandon, did you get a draw 2 yet?
No.
Oh no.
How about now, Brandon? Do you have one now?
Can you change it to yellow?
I cannot.
Okay.
Well, I can.
Oh. Well, you do what you need to do, bud. I mean, now I'm in.
Oh god. Uno.
Brandon, just get a draw 2.
Just get a draw 2. You can't get a draw 2 between turns. Like that's not something you can do.
Yeah, that's
Brandon, you forced my hand, buddy.
Uh,
God damn it, Brandon. Brandon!
He's gonna challenge!
You had a draw 4!
He was gonna challenge and then we lose!
Oh my god!
What am I supposed to do?
okay.
You had a blue card?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, we got a new
Ring it.
board.
I
Ooh,
hate
look at
this.
this.
I don't like this.
What are these? We paid money for this. That's what I like to highlight. We paid extra for this.
I don't have a yellow. This. Oh my god. Okay. All right. Okay.
Hey, don't worry, Dom. There's extra wild cards.
Yep. Yep. No, yeah. There's extra wild. There's extra wilds in the deck. Yeah. Yep.
Hey, you got one.
Yeah.
Good, you didn't win.
Wait.
No, Casey. I don't think you will make me do that.
Oh my
That'd
god.
be Brandon though.
I feel like we're just the middle people fighting in between Dom and Casey.
Come on, play a
with
3.
Smash, and I
Play
hate
your 3. Play your 3. God fucking damn it.
No, oh, thank the Lord, he doesn't have red either. What does he have?
He's got blue. I'm out of here.
He's got blue? Okay.
Oh no. Oh
He's still
no.
got blue. It's still blue. He-
Oh my
Oh
god.
my god.
Casey
He,
took the
he
dub.
was savoring that one. You know?
I did not
Alright.
recover from the beginning of that game.
I'm gonna quit so that I can actually like change rules. Look at that jump.
Let me jump in. Let me jump in.
Oh. Oh.
What is this?
Brandon now has his cards and I have yours.
No!
I don't know what he has.
Casey, what'd you have?
I had a 3.
What
Blue
what
3?
color was it?
I think.
Oh
What
no, he
color
didn't.
was it?
I think it was blue.
Oh no. Why
what?
would you make it blue?
'Cause I'm not
You thought
sure.
it was blue.
I get a second chance. It was a green 3. It was a green 3.
It was a green 3?
It was a green 3.
I don't trust Casey for shit.
It was my chat. Trust my chat. Why do I keep getting one card?
No!
Was it a blue 3? Was it blue?
Yes,
I hate you, Casey. I
Was
hate
it a
you.
blue 3?
Yes, it was.
86 more, you're losing your VIP.
Damn, why'd you leave?
All right.
I'm confused.
I watch
My
a
brain.
lot of Uno. What the
Starting-
fuck is
Go for
already,
it.
dude? No.
God damn it, dude. Alright, well, this is how this game starts, I guess.
Oh my god.
The both of you need to go to counseling. This is absurd.
Take it back.
No.
There you go.
Oh my
Hey, so
god!
Dom, how are you doing today, buddy?
Yeah,
Me too. I'm doing all right. You know,
Jesus Christ!
having fun.
These two,
Oh gosh.
these two assassins.
It's coming back
over
to
here.
bite me, don't worry.
Good. I'm glad.
It's the worst shit.
You know what? Fuck you.
Yeah. Fuck it. Oh no! Wait, you're not. Undo. Control Z. Control Z. No. All right. Well,
Well, alright, I guess I get fucked
Dom,
here.
what
Wait.
did you just do?
He's gonna challenge it.
I jumped in.
Oh,
and then I got confused as to what
that's-
happened, and I got sad.
Oh no. Not only did Dom get +4, he also wasted Brandon's +4.
Yep.
That was amazing. You saved me.
Me and Brandon. are just- Oh man.
Oh, thank you.
I got you.
Ugh. Oh no, why did you do this, Dom?
Oh.
He's got green.
Wait,
He's only
fuck.
got green. He's only got green.
Fuck.
He gets the fucking cards. Oh my god, it's a green 2.
It's a
Well, then, let's go this way.
I like that card.
Oh yeah.
Dom.
I hold a lot of power right now.
Just give Casey the win. The quick green.
Wait, no.
Let's go!
What?
Dom, why would you reward him for doing what he just did?
After all he did to you.
Dom is the real MVP. He did the swap and he made it green.
He gave Casey 2 cards and then played a wild for his last card, the color he knew he
my
had.
God.
Some people like to watch the world burn.
Yeah, totally.
All right, good start. Let's go.